I'm going to show you how to use a VPN application here, like a pro. Stay tuned.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
This is pretty much the home screen of the VPN application. Very, very simple to use. Nothing hard for you to not understand. So down here you may see optimal option. This is pretty much where you go to select your server. Here at the top you may see some free servers, and down here on the subscription servers, which you pretty much need a subscription. You tap on the card icon down here, you'll be able to see their subscription page. Also, you can pay by cryptocurrency. Here you have a 1-day subscription, 4-day, 1 month subscription, 3-month subscription, and a 1-year subscription as well. And pretty much the prices for the subscription. Nothing much for that. And over here, do make sure you sign in as well before purchasing any subscription at all. So, how to connect this VPN? All I have to do is just go to the optimal option here. Select one out of these 3 servers. But to me, I do recommend using the optimal server because it will select the best server for you. Once you have done that, you tap on the connection button here, and it will ask for connection request. Just tap on OK, and you're pretty much good to go. VPN will be connected in no time. So very, very easy to use. Completely no ads. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So if I missed anything at all, comment below and let me know. See you in the next one.